All right, welcome back. We are going to do month 9 for my mommy channel. This is December of 2023. Let's jump right into it. Let's do the quick overall look. 1.3K views, 13.1 watch hours, and I gained 2 subscribers. Let's go into more detail here. Click content. Okay, as far as videos published, so I published 8 long form videos and 4 shorts. Let's see, we got 1 subscriber from a video, 1 from a short, and returning viewers. People are watching the long videos. That's good. Same here on new viewers. I want to keep gaining from the long form primarily. Shorts, I'd love to gain subscribers from there and see if it can help my long form. So most of the views were long form. Let's go ahead and just jump straight into the long form. All right, I always like to hit the see more. I don't enjoy that view. Now, let's just see average percent viewed, watch time. We gained 1 sub, so I don't need to pull that up. So for my long form videos, we got just under 12 watch time hours, which is just not enough. It's not enough. Average percentage viewed being 11%, not enough. Okay, that's just over 10% of my video. That's terrible. That's really, really bad. We got to get that up. Views, obviously I'd love to get that up. Let's see, impressions. Click-through rate, 4.1%, not that bad, actually. So maybe my impressions are low, I guess. And that's just YouTube's choice to push out my content based on the topics that I'm creating. So I don't know, I guess that's on me. And then average view duration of 38 seconds. That's not great. That's gonna be a long time to get my watch hours at that rate. So let's look at the content itself. Okay, so my best video as far as views, best video of the month was this one. That is the blue, and that is when, where, and how to use the haka. So that was a breastfeeding item if you're not familiar with it. And it got almost all of my views, and 7.8 click-through rate is amazing. So I think my title was good then and my thumbnail was good. Problem though, only 33 seconds of average view duration. That part's not good. Oh, you know what? Let me add the watch time and that average percentage viewed. Let me add those 2 real quick. So back on that same video, average percentage viewed only about 10%. We had that watch time, views, impressions, click-through rate, average view duration. So that got the majority of my watch time, but it took so many views. It took 900 views to get that because I had a low average view duration. Okay, my next best video as far as views is this say goodbye to broken and unused toys. Okay, so I posted that one on Christmas, which I know is kind of risky, but I think it fell on the day that I always schedule. I don't like to deviate from my schedule. I like everything to be very tidy. So this is only a 4-minute video and it's basically helping you purge the old. So average percentage viewed, we got over 1/3 viewed. That's great, which led to higher watch time for such a low amount of views. And then click-through rate, not the greatest. So maybe my title and my thumbnail weren't the best on this one, or maybe part of it had to do with the day it was Christmas. People were scrolling, but they weren't actually watching things, whatever. But the average view duration was 1 minute and 32 seconds, which is great. Now I want to do some kind of quick math. I already did it on the side. But let's just, for fun, put these 2 videos together. So let's pretend I got 904 views and they watched 1 minute and 32 seconds instead of 33 seconds. I did the math on the side, but then I realized pretty quickly 33 is about 1/3 of this. So take your watch time here, 8.4, multiply it times 3. If the haka video could have got 1.5 minutes of average view duration, I could have got like 23, 24, 25 hours of watch time by just getting people to stay on that video for 1 minute longer. And I know that doesn't help. That doesn't solve any problems, but it just, I don't know. Sometimes I like to look at my videos and I'm just like, if you piece them together, take this CTR and this average view duration and this amount of views, it's amazing how high your numbers could be. I just need them to line up. Okay, let's keep going. This current graph is average percentage viewed by content. So this orange one is amazing, which is once again my when to start wearing maternity clothes. Usually I have that on views though, so I don't know why it was on that. And views are going to be that haka one that got the crazy high views. So let's go ahead and put it on something else. Let's do watch time. Haka is going to be amazing. Click-through rate. So for click-through rate, it looks like this one's the highest, but it only had 3 views. And I'm like, I don't know. When the views are that low, I don't really trust the information. You know what I mean? Nah. Let's go back to the average percentage viewed. A little more interesting, but yeah, anywho. So as far as click-through rate, let's go back to views. I like that to be my basic. I just want to look at a couple of these. So this one, really strong click-through rate. When to start wearing maternity clothes, amazing click-through rate. This 4 stages of breastfeeding, really good click-through, but once they clicked, they didn't necessarily stay. So it didn't lead to a lot of watch time hours. You know, that's a low percentage. It's not even 10% viewed. And that's only a 5-minute video. So that's a bummer. I really like that video too. All right, another month of struggle. Let's quickly go over to shorts. I don't probably have much to say here. All right, overall 211 views. That's like nothing for shorts. 2 likes, 1 subscriber. We can hit the content real quick. The best one got 49 views. That's really bad. I'm definitely not killing it on shorts. So let's just call it. Let's wrap it up. I hope to see you back here for month 10. Okay, that'll be a new year. It'll be January of 2024. Let's start hopefully fresh. Have a great day. See you then.